Imagine a world where swarms of tiny cyborg cockroaches scuttle through disaster zones, equipped with high-tech backpacks and controlled remotely. They squeeze through rubble, navigate tight spaces, and send back vital information to rescue teams. Picture this. A devastating earthquake has just hit, leaving buildings collapsed and people trapped beneath the rubble. Now, imagine if we could send in a swarm of these cyborg cockroaches to help. They could scurry through the debris much faster and more efficiently than any human or even a dog could, sniffing out survivors and relaying their locations back to the rescue teams. These cockroaches are equipped with tiny sensors and cameras, allowing them to navigate complex environments and transmit real-time data. They can squeeze into spaces as small as a dime, reaching areas that would be impossible for traditional search and rescue equipment or even rescue dogs. They can withstand pressure, survive falls, and even navigate through water, making them ideal for a variety of disaster scenarios. This technology has the potential to significantly increase the chances of finding survivors. These cyborg cockroaches can also be equipped with sensors to detect hazardous materials, gas leaks, and other dangers, providing crucial information to rescue workers and keeping them safe. It's like having an army of tiny, tireless scouts working around the clock to ensure the safety of those in need. Let's talk about another area where these cyborg cockroaches are making waves: environmental monitoring. Cockroaches are incredibly adaptable creatures. They can survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Imagine releasing a swarm of these Biorobots into a polluted area. Equipped with sensors, they could monitor air and water quality, track pollution levels, and even identify the sources of contamination. They can cover a lot of ground quickly, gathering a wealth of data that would take humans much longer to collect. These cyborg cockroaches can also be used to monitor wildlife populations, study insect behavior, and even explore the depths of the rainforest. We're talking about a future where we can use these creatures to better understand our planet, identify environmental threats, and develop solutions to protect our ecosystems. With their ability to navigate challenging terrain, withstand extreme conditions, and collect valuable data, these Biorobots are poised to revolutionize the way we monitor and protect our environment. Chapter 3. Military Reconnaissance. Top secret cockroaches. The same qualities that make cyborg cockroaches ideal for search and rescue and environmental monitoring also make them incredibly valuable for military applications, especially when it comes to reconnaissance. Imagine this: you need to gather intelligence on an enemy position, but sending in soldiers is too risky. You deploy a swarm of cyborg cockroaches. These tiny spies can infiltrate enemy territory undetected, slipping through cracks, hiding in plain sight, and gathering valuable information without raising any alarms. They can be equipped with cameras, microphones, and other surveillance equipment, transmitting real-time data back to base. And because they're so small and nimble, they're incredibly difficult to detect or disable. We're talking about a future where swarms of cyborg cockroaches could be deployed to monitor enemy movements, map out enemy installations, and even gather intelligence on enemy communications. The use of any technology for military purposes raises important ethical questions, but it's crucial to remember that technology itself is neutral. It's how we choose to use it that determines its impact. The future is crawling. The development of cyborg cockroaches is pushing the boundaries of science and technology, opening up a world of possibilities in various fields. From revolutionizing search and rescue operations to transforming environmental monitoring and even changing the face of military reconnaissance, these tiny creatures are poised to make a big impact. But as we marvel at the potential of cyborg cockroaches, it's essential to consider the ethical implications. How do we balance innovation with respect for living organisms? How do we ensure that this technology is used responsibly and ethically? So next time you see a cockroach scurrying across your floor, remember, it might just be the future of technology crawling right under your feet. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the incredible possibilities that lie ahead in this fascinating field.